Welcome to Illuminated Minds TV, where complex ideas become crystal clear. Let me ask you something. If you opened a JAMB Physics booklet right now, how confident are you that you'd recognize the topics inside? What if I told you that over 70% of the questions come from just a handful of topics that repeat year after year? In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the 15 most repeated physics topics in JAMB, how they connect, why JAMB loves them, and how you can master them fast. Let's illuminate some minds.
1. Scalars and vectors. Physics starts with describing motion. Scalars, like speed and time, have magnitude only, but vectors, like velocity and force, have magnitude and direction. JAMB loves asking you to find the resultant vector using triangles or Pythagoras. 2. Motion, kinematics. Once you understand vectors, you can describe how objects move, acceleration, velocity, displacement. The famous equations of motion come back almost every year, including projectile questions. 3. Newton's laws. Motion naturally leads to force. 5. Simple machines. Thermal expansion, heat capacity, and latent heat are JAMB evergreen topics.
7. Gas laws. Gas behavior connects neatly with heat. Boyle's law, Chow's law, and the combined gas law appear almost every exam. Understanding temperature and pressure helps you predict how gases respond to heat. If this is already clearing things up, pause for 2 seconds and hit that like button. And if you are new here, subscribe to Illuminated Minds TV, your home for simple, powerful explanations that help you crush JAMB and other exams. Let's keep going, because the next topics are where many candidates struggle, but you won't. 8. Waves and sound. A wave is simply a disturbance transferring energy. JAMB repeats questions on frequency, wavelength, and the wave equation. V equals F lambda. Echo, interference, and resonance also appear regularly. 9. Light. Optics. Optics ties beautifully into waves because light is an electromagnetic wave. Reflection, refraction, lenses, mirrors, image formation questions come every year. Know how to use the lens formula and ray diagrams. 10. Current electricity. Now we enter the world of electrons. Ohm's law, resistors in series and parallel, power calculations, easy marks if you practice. 11. Electrostatics. Before charges move as current, they sit still, and that's the electrostatics. Coulomb's law mirrors Newton's law of gravitation, but for charges. Electric fields and potentials often form 1 to 2 questions. 12. Magnetism and electromagnetism. Electric current creates magnetic fields, and that leads to motors, solenoids, and force on a conductor. Left-hand rule, right-hand rule, JAMB favorites. 13. Electromagnetic induction. Changing magnetic fields create current. That's the foundation of generators and transformers. You will almost always see a transformer efficiency question.
14. Nuclear physics. Atoms are not as solid as they look. Radioactivity, half-life calculations, and the differences between alpha, beta, and gamma radiation are highly repeatable. 15. Modern physics. Finally, concepts like the photoelectric effect and energy levels in atoms connect quantum physics to electricity and light. This is where JAMB tests conceptual understanding more than calculations. So let's recap. JAMB Physics repeats topics because physics is built like a chain. Each idea connects to the next. Scalars and vectors to motion, motion to forces, forces to energy and machines, energy to heat and gas laws, heat to waves, waves to light, electricity to magnetism, and induction, induction to modern and nuclear physics. Master these 15 topics and you're not just preparing for JAMB, you're building a complete interconnected understanding of physics. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment saying Illuminated, and subscribe to Illuminated Minds TV for more powerful physics breakdowns, past question walkthroughs, and exam smart strategy. Until next time, keep your mind illuminated and keep learning.